How to password protect Google Drive folder. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can password protect Google Drive folder. So without further delay, let's get started. Since Google Drive does not natively support the password protecting features, in order to achieve other similar protection, you can use other workaround method. That is, you can use a password protected zip file for the workaround since the drive does not directly support the feature. So in order to do that, first of all, collect all of your files that you want to protect. Now with the files, create a folder or add all of the files into the folder. So once you have created a folder, right click on the folder. From here, click on WinRAR and here click on add to archive. Once you see this kind of interface, you could name your folder at the top. Under that, select the zip format and here click on set password. Now set the password for your folder. Again, re-enter the password for the verification. Once you're done with that, click on OK. Again, click on OK. So once you have this folder with the password protected features, now you could upload this folder into your Google Drive. Here, open up the drive in your device. Now you can upload your password protected zip file. For that, you can resize or minimize this window. And here click on your password protected zip file, drag and drop in your drive and then upload it in your drive. So once the folder has been uploaded, you have to right click or open up the folder, head to its My Drive, and here you will find your password protected zip folder. Now you can share the file only with the trusted people and tell them the password separately. So that's the only way to password protect Google Drive folder, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.